In this video, we will show you 2 ways to transfer music from computer to iPod Touch or Nano or Classic or Shuffle without using iTunes. Part 1. Why not iTunes? iTunes is intuitive and allows seamless interaction between iOS devices and Mac OS. However, for PC users, the use of iTunes will appear clumsy. What's more, iTunes imposes restrictions on users. Part 2. How to put music on iPod without iTunes, but using iPod Music Transfer. If you don't want to erase your iPod data to sync with the iTunes library, then you can use iPod Music Transfer, which is able to transfer your music that has been downloaded on the computer to your iPod. How to transfer music from computer to iPod without iTunes, but using iPod Music Transfer. Install software, connect iPod via USB, click Music, select Files, click Import, transfer selected songs to iPod. Part 3. How to add music to iPod Nano without iTunes, but using MediaMonkey. Open MediaMonkey, select File, Add or Reskin Tracks, add music, connect iPod via USB, click iPod icon, transfer music without iTunes.